Welcome to 30 Day Reviews, where I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full, honest review. I'm Justin, and today we are taking a look at a product that was sent to me by Naked Armor, and it came in both of these shaving kits. Now, of course, I'm not talking about the brush because I already did a review on that. I'm actually talking about the facial soap or shave soap. Now, the particular shave bar that I'm going to be reviewing today, I got in two of the shaving kits. And once you open up the shaving kit, they're just in a little box inside. And, well, the front of it just kind of opens up and out pops the shave soap. And I gotta tell you a funny story about these at the very end of the video, so make sure that you stick around for that. So these will be wrapped in a piece of plastic, and you just got to make sure that you take that off of there. Now, the scent of this is a eucalyptus lime, and I wasn't really able to pinpoint that that's what it was before I looked at the ingredients list, which the ingredients list is actually pretty much all natural. So the ingredients are water, olive oil, coconut oil, palm, soybean, shea butter, beeswax, grapefruit, eucalyptus, lime oils, and two unknown secret ingredients. Now, usually when there's a secret ingredient, usually it's going to be something natural, as far as what I've seen anyway, and something that doesn't have an opportunity to be allergic to some of the people out there. So I really wouldn't worry about those. I couldn't find out what they were either. Now, I was able to get just about any type of lather that I wanted to out of the shave soap, anywhere between super sudsy to nice thick lather, just simply by using a shave bowl and the provided shave brush. Now, I even used it a couple of times just as a bar like this and just rubbed it right on my face and was able to get a pretty decent lather even just by doing that. So I think that these would actually make a pretty good bar for a travel soap. Now, I found that some shave soaps have to have a shave oil as a base to be able to get a real nice slick shave. Now, this one doesn't absolutely need one, but it can definitely benefit a little bit from one. Now, I found this soap to have a really nice scent to it, and with being able to do any type of lather that I would like, if I was in a hurry, I'd just do a sudsy one, or like I said, just apply it directly to my face, or I could go ahead and spend the few minutes it takes to make a nice thick lather out of it to be a very decent soap. Now, do I think that it's worth your money? Well, you can get 3 little ones for right about $20 off their site. Or you can get one big one that I believe comes in a tin for the same price. And I would have to say that, yeah, I do think that it is worth that price. However, that being said, I would suggest getting the 3 in the little boxes first. That way, if you don't really like it as much as I think that you would, then you can always have a couple of them to give away. Now, before I tell you the story about these soaps, I want to know what shave soap is your favorite down in the comments below. So now for the funny story. So when I got these, as I stated, there is a plastic film over them. Well, most soaps that do that have a little sticker on them as well, so that you know that there's plastic there. Well, unfortunately, these don't. And so I'm sitting there trying to get some suds out of it. I got just a little bit, just enough for me to not really realize it right away. And I'm sitting there rubbing it on my wet skin, trying to figure out how I'm going to shave with this stuff. And, you know, I'm looking at it, and the plastic is so tight on there that there's no real easy way to you know, pick it off or to see that there's plastic on there. And so I'm sitting there for about a good 6 minutes or so, just trying to get this to suds up and trying to figure out what's wrong with it. Then I finally realized that, well, duh, idiot, there's plastic on it. And I felt really stupid after that, but I thought that it was funny enough that I had to share with you guys. Anyway, if you like this review, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so that you find out when I post a new video every week. And of course, if you want to see more shave soap or shaving videos, make sure to check out that playlist to the right. Below that's going to be a video that you're going to enjoy as well. And until next time, make sure there's no plastic on your soap, and you have a good one.